Welcome once again to Maths with Esomnofu. In this tutorial, we are going to solve this Maths Olympiad problem to find the value of x. This is typically an exponential equation. We are trying to solve 4 to the power of x plus 4 to the power of x is 80. We are trying to find the value of x that will satisfy both the left and the right hand side. First thing first, look at it. We have 4 to the power of x and 4 to the power of x. We have two loads of 4 to the power of x. So we can write it as 2 into 4 to the power of x, and this is equals to 80. Okay? To find the value of x, we have to divide through by 2 and divide through by 2. And when you divide through by 2, you will see that 4 power x is equal to 40. Reason behind this is that 2 divide is 40 and 2 divide is 1. So since you have this, observe that 4 is the base and 40 is also the base. These two bases are different. So we cannot express them to be in the same base. So we'll try to use logarithm. Okay, the reason why we use logarithm is that logarithm allows us to multiply the power to the log. So all we have to do is that we take log of both sides. Log of 4 power x is equal to log of 40. Good. Since we've taken the log of both sides, we now see that from the theory of logarithm, where we have log a to the power of b power x, it is the same thing as x multiplying the power to the log ab. Okay, so if you apply the rule at this point, you can now see we have x log 4 is now equal to log 40. Then the next thing we have to do, since we are looking for x, we have to divide through by log 4 and divide through by log 4. If you divide through by log 4, you are having x to be equal to log 40 divided by log 4. But look at this, we have to simplify this very, very well and properly. You can see that 40 can be written as 4 times 10. The reason behind this is that we are trying to work out this 4. So in that case, we have it as x is equals to log 4 times 10. 4 times 10 is what? 40 divided by log 4. Then again, we apply the law of logarithm, which says that when you have log AB, that's when we have log of a product of numbers, is the same thing as log of A plus log of B. So since we have 4 times 10, we apply the rule, and this will give us log 4 plus log 10. Okay, so on having this divided by log 4. On having this, we have to split the fraction. To split the fraction, this is very, very easy. We write it as log 4 over log 4 plus log 10 over log 4. Okay, so if you do that, all we now see is that our x is now equal to log 4 will cancel out. Okay, when log 4 cancels out, everything is out. So since we have this, all we have to do now is to look at the next one. The next one is now we are having it to be 1, because when this divide, we are having 1. This is now 1 plus log 10 over log 4. Okay, on this note, we can now see that 10 also can be seen as 2 times 5. So we'll substitute 10 to be 2 times 5. So we'll have it as x is equals to 1 plus log 2 times 5 divided by log 4. Okay, if you do that, if you simplify, you can now see that 1 plus applying the same rule, log 2 plus log 5, then divided by log 4. Okay, on this we can now simplify. Have it as 1 plus log 2 over, splitting the fractions, log 4 plus log 5 over log 4. Okay, if you look vividly well, you can now see that we can express 4 to be 2 squared, right? We have it as 1 plus log 2 over log 2 squared plus log 5 over log 4. Okay, on getting this, you can see that we now multiply this power to the log. So we have it as 1 plus log 2 over 2 log 2, okay, multiplying the power of the log, plus log 5 over log 4. In that case, log 2 will cancel out log 2. You are having it to be 1 plus 1 over 2 plus log 5 over log 4. Okay, so when you add 1 plus half, that will basically give you 3 over 2, then plus log of 5 over log 4. Okay, on this now, remember the change of base. When we have, if you apply change of base here, you can now see that we have 3x is equals to 3 over 2 plus okay, let's simplify this one again. We can still write this to be log 5 over log 2 squared, applying the previous one, which will give you x is equals to 3 over 2 plus this 2 will now multiply the log. It will now be log 5 over 2 log 2. Okay, and this we can now see that we can write it as x is equals to 3 over 2 plus 1 over 2 into log 5 over log 2. Okay, I just factored out the half there. So if you agree with this, we now use change of base to do that. You see that x is equals to 3 over 2 plus 1 over 2. We apply change of base here. That will give you log 2 of 5. Applying change of base, the number of the logarithm of the denominator becomes the base of the number 5. And this will now give you that x is equals to, since they have denominator of 2, you have it as 2. 2 divided 2 is 1. 1 times 3 is 3. 3 plus 2 divided 2 is 1. 1 times log 5 base 2, it becomes log 5 base 2. And this is the value for x. If you found the video interesting, don't fail to like, comment, and share. Drop any Maths Olympiad problem that you're finding difficult so that we can assist you in solving it. See you in my next episode. Bye.